We've all seen virtual reality headsets, and we usually associate these with kids' games or 3D worlds. Well, one innovative Israeli startup has developed a unique medical and therapeutic way to use VR technology. Enter VR Health, a revolutionary Tel Aviv-based startup that has developed a unique range of applications to enable virtual reality headsets to help shape our future.
So this is really interesting. Can you tell us a little bit about VR Health and what it is?
VR Health is the first VR medical company that develops FDA-registered products for physical therapy and for general rehabilitation. So our vision is to create a virtual rehabilitation room that allows the patients to go inside and do their whole program and rehabilitation workout. We're starting. Ready? I'm going to give you some music.
Nice. New record.
We allow the patients to play their rehabilitation. You will just play a game, and this game will be the things you need. And it's not the only thing that it's fun, but we also provide a lot of data. We try and make physical therapy to be data-driven. So we give kinematic information, range of motion, and we give a lot of calculated information that we take from it, medical information from clinical studies, smoothness of the movement, response time.
Well, we definitely know that games statistically are more interactive and more engaging. So it's a better way to get the patients to make sure that they're carrying out whatever the exercises are and to make sure that they enjoy doing it and they want to do it and not just, oh, I have to do my physical therapy today.